Junk food for kids. Let's start. Burger, pizza, French fry, nuggets, donut, pasta, sandwich, chips, ice cream, kebab, macaroni, popcorn, broast, pani puri, noodles, shawarma, samosa, juice, cold drink, chocolate, so yummy cake, lollipop, pastry, wow, cupcake, kids favorite, yummy junk food. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.